Today I show you a powerful amplifier with great features. That is a RAKOSO SA100, as you can see. Now let's look at what's inside. Yeah, this is the main unit, the amplifier, the RAKOSO. And there are also some accessories. Now let's look at what's inside. This is the power adapter. The RCA cables, two RCA cables, and two antennas, one for Wi-Fi and one for Bluetooth. And also there is a user manual, yeah, as you can see. Okay, next let's have a close look at the main unit. Yeah, let's have a look. This way. This is the DC input, and the speak connector, the Phoenix speak connector, the USB host port, the LAN port. This is for the optical input, and the upper is for the subwoofer out and line input. This is for the reset button, as you can see. In case there's some conditions, you have to reset the audio system. And this one is the Wi-Fi antenna, and this one is the antenna for Bluetooth, Bluetooth antenna. And this side you can see there is bass and treble and the volume, and you can tune manually, especially for the installers or integrators. And these two features are very important for them to fix the bass, treble, and the volume. And this one is pre-out. That is to say, you can connect the audio source from the RAKOSO amplifier to another amplifier, another regular amplifier, or the active speakers, for example. And this is the status LED. And as you can see from this side, there are line-in, Wi-Fi, and optical input, and Bluetooth. So different modes from different source, and the LED will show different colors. Yeah. And then there is another important for the end users, they have to know. You can see there is a MAC address label, and in the setup, and it is very important for the users to identify the SSID and of the device. Yeah, the device, it feels good, and it is aluminum. Yeah. The design is also good for, especially for the custom installation market, as you can see. Okay, next I'll show you how to set up the audio system, and yeah, see you in the next video.